Welcome to Nanlian Garden, ang paraisong nakaipit sa pagitan ng mga gusali ng Hong Kong. Yes, Beshi, in the middle of a concrete jungle, may oasis pala. This is a 3.5-hectare garden is not just Instagram worthy. It's a spiritual and cultural experience, carefully designed in the Tang Dynasty style. So tara, let's stroll, reflect, maybe magmuni-muni kung bakit hindi kanya pinili. Nanlian Garden was officially opened to the public in 2006, but its soul is centuries old. It was actually modeled after classical Tang Dynasty gardens around 7th to 10th century CE or Common Era. At hindi basta-basta. Every rock, every tree, and even the flow of water follows traditional feng shui principles. Para siyang tao na may inner peace, may balance, at may lalim. Sana all, no? Nanlian is actually managed by the Chilean Nunnery, kaya connected sila spiritually and architecturally. Kung gusto mong mag-reconnect sa sarili mo, ito ang tamang lugar. One of the highlights is the Pavilion of Absolute Perfection. Yes, perfection talaga. Ito yung golden pagoda na parang sinasabi, maganda ako kahit hindi mo ako pinili. Deal with it. Napapalibutan siya ng lotus pond and an arched red bridge. The contrast of gold, red, and green. Sobrang calming, parang closure, parang tanggap mo na talaga na hindi siya babalik. The pavilion can't be entered, only admired. Kasi nga, some beautiful things are meant to be seen, not held. Aray, relate ba? Sa bawat puno, may kwento. Over 300 species of plants are here. Pine trees, bonsai, and even ancient cypress. Every rock formation is arranged with intention. According to Feng Shui, rocks represent mountains, strength, stillness, and permanence. Kabaliktaran ng feelings niya para sa'yo. Well, the garden also follows the one pool, three hills principle, symbolizing immortality and peace. So kung gusto mong humaba ang buhay mo, lakad-lakad din, paminsan-minsan. Dito sa Nanlian Garden, meron tayong Tang Gallery, which showcase art exhibits that rotate seasonally. Of course, yung na-feature ko na Chinese Timber Architecture Gallery, na space dedicated to ancient technique of wood construction. This style of joinery goes back 7,000 years. Ganyan ka-rich ang kultura. May lalim, may arkitektura, may legacy. Kung gusto mo ng slow living vibe, my vegetarian tea house inside, perfect for afternoon reflections, or simply sit by the koi ponds and let the sound of water heal your soul. Parang yung iyak mo kagabi. Flow lang. Release lang. Because just like the garden, you're allowed to bloom again. course, here are the do's and don'ts. So of course, again, respect silence. We dress modestly and take photos, but let us be mindful kasi may mga ilang bahagi ng parke na hindi pwedeng kunan ng video or photos. And of course, don'ts, bawal na bawal mag-smoke, bawal magdala ng pets, and no talking so loud. Kaya hindi pwedeng magchismis dito, mga besh. Bukas ang Nanlian Garden daily from 7 in the morning until 9 in the evening. Entrance fee? Libre, bes. Libre. As in, walang bayad. Your wallet will thank you. So, if you're feeling lost, tired, or just need of peace, Nanlian Garden might just be what your soul's been needing. A space where you can slow down, reconnect, and maybe, well, just maybe, find the clarity you've been waiting for. So, don't forget to like and share for more Taglish Travel Hugot. At tandaan mo, sa garden ng buhay mo, hindi lang siya ang pwedeng mamulaklak.